Welcome to the Zen Zone. We are unboxing the Monster Pro from Free Motion. Today, we don't have the special pedals yet. That will be unboxed later. And we don't have the pads for it yet. That will be unboxed later. This is purely stock as you would get without any extras. If you didn't want any extras, we have extras. They ship separately and will come later, but we were excited to unbox the Monster Pro in front of the Stratosphere, the tallest, biggest, most powerful EUC being unboxed in front of the Stratosphere. This is Andy's upgrade. He's upgrading from a Nikola. In my opinion, he deserves an upgrade. Almost, there's like 3 people I feel like deserve a big upgrade like this in Las Vegas. They're like the spirits of Las Vegas here, and in the sense that they have the most miles. I think he's at 9,000 miles on his Nikola. He almost hit that 10K mark, and he probably still will hit that 10K mark. Well, maybe not now that he's got the Monster Pro, because this will be taking up all his time now. Here's what's in the box. Again, this is all stock stuff. This is stuff that comes in the box. I do feel like they could include some better pads, but the valve extender is nice. Got the 3-amp charger. So basic stuff here from Bigodi. What you're getting for your money here, $3,500. What you're getting is a huge battery, an excellent motor, hopefully. I mean, I think it's the biggest motor, so whether it's excellent on the inside or not, I'm not sure. But the way it feels definitely feels like an amazing motor based off my limited experience. So you're getting the biggest batteries, the biggest motor, and the biggest, baddest wheel on the market. There's nothing bigger in the world for an electric unicycle. That is the Monster Pro, the biggest electric unicycle that is out there and is available now to purchase. I'm thinking about getting one. It's super comfy. I'm not sure. With the Monster Pro, you don't really need the suspension of the EX. So I'm really curious. I do like the torque better on the EX, and I think I'm going to put the Navi tire back on my EX and make it an unstoppable Explorer, off-road Explorer. I'm actually really curious how the Monster Pro would perform off-roading. It's really, the tire's so big that you could probably off-road and feel comfortable. Pop it into soft mode, do some off-roading. As long as it's not super technical, you're not going to be doing jumps or anything. I'm talking about like these long, smooth off-road trails where you can just range it out with the Monster Pro and get deeper than any other electric vehicle that's on the market. I think the Monster Pro has the most range out of any electric vehicle that's like even under 2 wheels. I don't think there's any e-bikes that get this much range, is there? I'm pretty confident in saying that this is probably as far as like personal electric vehicles go, this is probably the one with the most range, and it's the one I'm most excited probably to purchase next. It's not going to be in the immediate future, but I am considering. I would have to sell an EUC, and it would be the Sherman. Would have to sell the Sherman. Wanted to talk about Andy for a second. Again, he's coming from a Nikola with 9,000 miles. He also has a Kingsong 18XL. That was his first wheel. He's been riding for a year or 2 now. I think we're all kind of going on about 2 years. Him and I started riding about the same time. And he rides every day to work. This is where he works, and he rides here every day. He does that commute. And he's also a really good tech. He works on all his wheels. He's helped me work on my wheels, and now I'm a lot more confident in working on my wheels because of him. So a big shout out to Andy, man. Thank you for all your help throughout the years. And I really hope this wheel takes care of you. I hope you're safe on it. I hope you upgrade your safety gear. This is a bigger wheel, guys. I think you definitely want a full face helmet on this EUC. It is higher up. So when you crash and you're higher up, there's more of an impact. I crashed on my EX going not that fast. And because it's higher up, you hit at more of an angle and you can do more damage to your body. So it would be good to have some more.
Oh my gosh, that thing is huge. Yeah, can you hold this? It's recording.
Yeah. What's next, Will? Thanks, brother. Makes me almost want to sell mine to get that one.
Yeah, it really is not bad.
Once you just need some pads, which oh man, it feels good.
And I think once you get used to it too, you know?
You know what mode's in?
No, I'm about to go on the app real quick.
Let's transfer. This is a cruiser, bro.
Yeah.
It's a great. Yeah, no, thank you. Hold on. It feels good, dude. I really like it. Wow, I didn't know this was gonna be a solid wheel, man.
Scratch it with this.
I don't want to scratch my knees.
Yeah,
It feels good, dude. It feels good.
we'll
Yeah, next
definitely see
time.
each other.
Yeah, when you bring it up to me, I'll give you those pads. And,
Yeah, for sure.
But it feels
Then,
good.
you know, like I'll trip this week or something to see.
Yeah.
for my
I
Let's
like
go.
the height, man. That
Let's
height's
go.
amazing, dude.
You got
Dude,
range
this is
now.
pretty ginormous.
Yeah, this is a motorcycle wheel.
The only thing I'll probably be afraid with is going off the curb and down.
Yeah.
Nice wheel, though.
Once you get used to it.
All right, Andy, take care, brother.
Thanks, bro.
Enjoy. Be safe, please.
Yeah,
Be safe. Check it out. Because, I mean, that thing's been through rolling
I will be
around.
reviewing this
yeah, I
Monster
know.
Pro for Free Motion Shop. They are also sending us their newest edition of their pedals, which are adjustable. I'm excited to get the new pedals. We're putting them on the Monster Pro, and also some better pads. We will be decking this Monster Pro out and reviewing it, bringing you that review on this YouTube channel. Hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment again, and until next time, stay Zen Zone. Stay in the Zen Zone, which means staying present, staying in the moment, not being distracted by your thoughts or the future or the past. Living in this moment, enjoying your wheel, enjoying this riding season, and being safe.